If you want to create a walking, talking avatar, an avatar that also does hand movements, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own walking, talking avatar that also does hand movements. Now, the very first step with creating your walking, talking avatar or your avatar that moves is to first of all create the avatar itself. There are many tools you can use to create your own avatar. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Leonardo AI, you can use any other image generating software or app to generate your avatar. But in this video, we'll be using Leonardo AI. What's also important when generating your avatar is the kind of prompts that you are going to be using. In this video, I have given a prompt that you can use. You can go ahead and screenshot this prompt. You've seen I said create a semi-realistic digital illustration of a stylish and modern female avatar with a friendly and confident expression. The character has large expressive eyes, well-defined facial features. Her hair is well-groomed. I'm using a female because I am female. Either short and sleek or styled in a voluminous way. She is wearing a casual but cool hoodie or jacket in neutral or vibrant tones. She's sitting behind a desk with a laptop in front of her. Her both hands should be visible. The background is clean, gradient, or abstract shape to maintain focus on the character's face. Now you realize that I said in this prompt that her both hands should be visible. That is because you want to create an avatar that moves her hands or his hands and has some demonstration to it. Now just go ahead and screenshot this. You're going to write that it should create it for YouTube, making it perfect for YouTube. That way you do not need to adjust anything. You also need to put by the side the dimensions in your Leonardo AI. You need to choose the dimension of 16:9, which is that of YouTube. Now, this is what it has generated for us. I really love this second one. I love the second one. This is what I will be using for this tutorial. You can as well go ahead to choose any one. The reason I like this one is because her face is showing and she's looking directly at the camera. Her hands are showing. So I'll just go ahead and download this image. Make sure you name it in a way that you're able to, go back to it and still use it. Now we'll be using Kling AI to make our image into a video. Go ahead and upload the avatar that you have created, the image you have created into this box. This is the image to video box on Kling AI. Now this is what the prompt you're going to be putting in. Just go ahead and take a screenshot or go ahead and copy it out. Tracking shot of an animated lady getting up from her seat, walking, just copy and paste it. You can as well tweak yours. Now I need to mention that this Kling AI is a paid software. It's a paid app. So when you are using it, just have that at the back of your mind. You're also going to see where you have to put prompts, negative prompts. Just go ahead and put blur, distortion, weird images, weird hands, and then click on generate. It's going to generate this image for you. It's going to use the points that you have gotten. Like I said, it is a paid software or it's a paid application. Now you've seen our avatar is moving and demonstrating her hands. I'm just going to let this play for about a few seconds so that you get to see it. You can see it's amazing. It's a very beautiful generation. Now you want to go ahead and save it. Make sure you name it in a way that you can remember. We are also going to head over to video frame extractor. Now just go ahead and select that video you have just created. Select the video file and upload it on video file extractor. You want to move your cursor towards the end of the video because you want just the end of the video. You want the frame from the end of the video. That is so that you can create seamless transitions and seamless videos that can actually look really realistic. Go ahead and click on extract, and then you find out that this software or this application or this website is able to give you those frames. You are looking for only the last frame. Go ahead and save the very last frame. You can see I named it last frame so that I can remember the last frame extracted. Okay, now you will go back to Kling AI and upload the very last frame that you saved. Okay, just go ahead, click on it and drop it in this place. Now go ahead and put in the prompts. This is the prompt on your screen. You can take a screenshot, you can write it down, whatever you want to do. Just take this shot, the shot of this. It's saying tracking shot of the animated lady getting up from her seat, walking and talking and all of that stuff. Now take it back to video frame extractor. Put it back in video frame extractor like you did before, the very same thing, and you can see that she has stood up and she is walking. This is amazingly beautiful. Go ahead and drag the cursor towards the end of the video in video frame extractor and then click on extract. It's going to extract the frame again for you, and you are looking for the very last frame. Go ahead and download the very last frame. Name it in a way that you will not forget what it is. You can call it anything, but just make sure that you name it in a way that you won't forget it's the last frame of your avatar standing and talking. Go back to Kling AI and upload that last frame as well. We want to create the last image of or the last video of our avatar going back to her seat. So once you put that last video of your avatar standing, right, you're going to go ahead and put in this prompt in the prompts box. Even if it says optional, go ahead and put in your prompt of the animated lady walking back to her table. Make sure that you say she's doing it gently because you do not want her to be aggressive and then your generation will not be nice. Go ahead as well and put in the negative prompts you do not want. You don't want blurs, distortion, weird hands, weird movements, weird images, and go ahead and click generate. This is going to also take a few minutes. This video is actually taking 1 minute because I'm using only 5 seconds of this video. Now you can see our avatar has gone back to her seat and she has sat back down. Isn't this amazing? Go ahead and download your video without watermark. Remember, that is the paid version. Now, if this video is too fast, let me know so that I can break it down again if you need me to. We are going to be using Capcut to arrange the videos. Open your Capcut and import all the videos that you created with Kling AI. Make sure that you upload them in the format or in the arrangement from the sitting down to the standing up to the going back to sit down. That is why I said you should label it properly so that you are able to arrange these things properly. Now this is it in my Capcut and I have been able to arrange it properly. Go ahead and export, save your video. Do not do any more adjustments, okay? Now, if you do not have your audio, go ahead and use 11 Labs, go ahead and use Clipchamp, anything you want to use to generate your audio. But if you are like me using voiceover, just go ahead and open synclab. We are going to be using synclab for this final step. This is where you're going to upload the video that you created, you have added together on Capcut. Add it into this point. Also, this is a paid application. This is a paid software. It is not free. Also, drag in your audio file, or you can go ahead and just use the record button on synclab, which is the voiceover button. Now you can see that my audio is longer than the video. To make this actually work properly, where you see properties, Go ahead and put the face padding to 111. The generation speed should be 4 times faster. The output frame rate should be 30 frames per second. And also when you go back down, you're going to find out where it says sync mode. You want to turn that sync mode to loop. That is where the magic actually takes place. Once you've done that setting, go ahead and click on generate. It's going to take a little bit of time. And once it has generated, you'll find out that your video looks good. Go ahead and download it. This will be downloaded with watermark if you do not have the paid version. But if you have the paid version, it will not be downloaded with a watermark. Now go ahead and name your video properly. Now let's take a look at what this video sounds like.
Hey everyone, welcome to Slick Edits. In this channel, I'll be showing you how you can explore AI tools, YouTube growth and automation. I'll also be showing you how you can make money online. Whether you are running a faceless channel or not, I've got videos that will help you get started, grow fast, and start earning.
Now this is an amazing work of art. Go ahead and use this step. Go ahead and create your own videos. Go ahead and create your own animation. This is a perfect way for you to create your avatar to talk. If you want more paid versions, please go ahead and pay for your for the softwares or the applications. You can pay for them. If you do not want, you can as well use the free version. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and let me know in the comments if you have any challenge, and I'm going to record another video for you.